Healthcare fraud is big business, but so is catching it. And depending on the year, DOJ's healthcare fraud and abuse control program returns $4 to $10 for every dollar they spent chasing fraud. On August 13 of this year, 2026, the Assistant Attorney General who oversees the DOJ's newly formed National Fraud Enforcement Division, NFED, announced that the DOJ is about to supercharge its existing healthcare fraud strike force model with more resources, more data analytics, more technology. Up to 10% of national healthcare spending, that's approximately $700 billion a year, ends up in fraudsters' pockets. From the government side, well, that's worth going after. From your side, though, there's a real risk that the algorithmic approach that the DOJ is pursuing catches high performing, completely legitimate practitioners by mistake. Think dolphins caught in tuna nets. By the time you watch or hear this, DOJ should have nearly 500 attorneys and staff assigned to NFED. They'll be working alongside the FBI, HHS OIG, postal inspectors, the IRS, plus state and local agencies. Its data analytics team is hunting for telemedicine fraud, Medicare and Medicaid fraud, controlled substance diversion, home health and hospice schemes, and deceptive marketing of unsafe products. Here's the problem for you. Data analytics spots anomalies like billing volume that deviates from peer group norms. But deviation from a statistical norm is not a clinical judgment. What's the right peer group? Some genuinely gifted physicians perform far more medically necessary procedures than others in their specialty, precisely because they're excellent. The analysts running the algorithm have no way of knowing that, and no comparison group accounts for subspecialty, case acuity, or patient complexity. A physician who treats sicker, more complex patients because of his or her reputation can look statistically exactly like a fraudster. Outlier and criminal are not synonyms, but the algorithm doesn't know that. So, what do you do? Keep your compliance program active, not shelved. Make sure your charting, documentation, and coding supports everything that you bill. Review every referral relationship, both directions to and from, for strict anti-kickback and stark compliance. Bring in outside counsel on a periodic basis to self-investigate and audit your own numbers the way the DOJ would, not just for accuracy, but for the patterns that an analyst would see. Remediate what you find and self-disclose where appropriate. And understand that more prosecutorial firepower means more DOJ-originated cases and more whistleblower cases too. So treat your staff and vendors well and take their concerns seriously. Questions about what this means for your particular practice? Reach out.